What's up, guys? For all my fellow peasant XLT owners, we don't have a garage door opener on our visor or on the mirror, and I want one because I wasn't willing to pay $30,000 more for massaging seats and fancy buttons.
You could have got massaging seats?
Yeah.
So we bought this.
Yeah.
Where'd you get this from?
I just got it from Quirk Auto Parts. I think it was like 12 bucks.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know. I think super worth it. I mean, you can freaking open your garage door. All right, enough of that. We're gonna get right into this video. Install, show you to do it. That's it, short and sweet. Watch us work.
First of all, we have said this 1,000 times. You need to own
Interior panel clip.
interior panel removers.
Yeah.
Plastic. Just, we link these, I think we tried before, just Amazon interior plastic removal tool or something. Just get a set of these, they're important. Yeah. All right, so we're
T20 Torx.
T20 Torx. There's a little screw right there.
Evan is gonna lefty tighty, righty loosey.
Yep. He's saying that to make fun of me.
Maybe.
Don't lose it.
It's up there.
There's a beautiful thing called a tray up here. Just use it.
Let's see.
Boom!
And it slides off. Just like that.
You slide it vertically.
Vertically challenged.
Up.
And
you
unplug.
Okay. Step one, get the mirror
Trash.
off. Super easy.
Super duper easy. Okay.
That's the easiest part of this install.
I hate interior panel stuff.
Oh. Oh my.
Oh, good.
Okay, so this is why you own a set of these.
Yeah, because we would have done some serious damage.
You just pry it apart. I think that's all you have to open. You don't take this out, right?
All right, so we've got here now. It looks like on some of the 21 F150s, the wiring may be a little bit different. So you want to have a voltmeter to check, what's constant power, what's ground, and then what's ignition. So on this one, for instance, and it looks like a lot of them are all the same. They've used this plug, it looks like, since like 2011. But anyway, so the green is ground.
For us.
The black wire is
ignition
power. And then right now we're trying to figure out the constant power right now, which is where this one will
Blue
go.
or red? Let us know in the comments below. We're gonna take a guess.
Or purple.
So yeah, so I'm just gonna get like close to this. So you can see the different colored wires here. So, but we do have power.
Yep.
There it is.
She is working.
But the truck's on. So now we're gonna figure out the last piece. And the cool thing about this kit that we got is it comes with like these.
It comes with all these here, and basically you just put them over the wire, clamp it down, use pliers to pinch it, it clips in, and then it literally just plugs into the back side. So you can tap the wire without having to
actually cut them and splice them.
Yeah, without actually having to splice. So we need to get some of these just to have.
Seriously.
You can imagine how easy this would have been when we did the stereo?
Oh my gosh.
Yeah. Okay, well, let us figure this out. We'll get back to you.
Oh my God.
Dumb!
All right, so go ahead, show them. This is what you're looking for. A little indicator. Beep, 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 beep. All right, before we program, let's talk about this.
Okay, so
in our situation,
we're only using 2 wires.
We're only using 2 wires. Green for ground.
Green for ground, black for power.
And it's accessory power.
Yeah.
Oh, wait, no, turn it off. See if it works.
Okay.
Now push the power. Push the button. No. Yeah. Okay, so it only works with the car's on.
But that's fine.
That's totally fine.
I'm only opening it and closing it when I leave with the truck on.
Yeah.
I don't want constant power.
Yeah.
Because it's going to drain battery. With all 1 amps, or 1 volts. It's 1 amp. All right, and so anyways, we got green is ground, black is power. There is no constant power. At least not on this model mirror. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Like, Maybe in a higher trim truck it might. But a higher trim truck you're gonna have.
Unless we have the two things flipped and it's supposed to be on another one.
I don't think so.
Because that black and white one could be on a different one.
I don't think so. This is how it's supposed to be.
It could be. One of those other ones could be constant.
This is fine. It's fine. Everything's fine.
Should we try it?
Try what?
Moving the black and white one.
No, hell no. This is perfect. I don't want.
All right, let's program it. All right, so.
All right.
So it's all wired. Now you basically just hold your garage door button and the other button until
Blinking slowly.
it blinks slowly and then rapidly.
And then let go.
Yep.
Right now.
Yep.
It didn't work.
I should probably read the rest of the instructions. Use both.
Oh, it did work.
Did it?
Yeah. See?
Boom!
Shakalaka.
So you're gonna put that sucker up there first, so that you know it's in place.
That's it. Done.
And that's how we're just gonna drive it. All right, torque it down, bro.
Torque it.
Now we're gonna figure out how the heck in the world we're gonna get all this extra wire and clips and everything else in the freaking world up here. There wouldn't be a giant bulge there if you actually put the wire away in a good spot and didn't just freaking janky it with the janky missions.
Janky mom.
Boom! New mirror. All done. Okay. Now we're gonna program the compass, and there you go. For everyone that wants to get a mirror with a garage door opener that doesn't want to buy a platinum truck, there you go. We may not have programmed that properly, but
It works.
there you go. All right, compass time. So we're currently driving in circles to calibrate the compass because the instructions say if it says C, drive in a circle 3 times.
Ah, look at.
Oh yeah, is that east? That is east. Yeah, that is east. That's good enough. I mean, do we need to calibrate it? I don't even know what that even means. We're good, dude. You got a full-blown mirror.
I think it's a cool deal.
I think it's great.
$20, you know?
It was $20?
Yeah.
Cheapest mod we've ever done on
Actually, it
this
was
channel.
$12, but like after shipping and tax, it was $20.
Link in the description on where you can order this.
Yeah, buddy.
Follow the video to install. It's very easy.
Yeah, dude. I mean, you don't have to have an ugly freaking, you know.
Yeah, you don't need a garage door opener on your thingamabobber anymore. Take out all the old tools.
Sounded way more intense than it is. Yeah.
Open your garage. He's not learned that he has to hold it for a second.
Oh, sorry.
You may want to follow these and see if there's a way to make it better, but...
What's up?
Thanks for watching our video on mirror replacement.
Yeah. Silly, dumb, quick one, but I thought it was cool. But anyways, short and sweet. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, comment, hit that bell. We're going to try and get more videos up as often as possible. Watch us work.